we are venturing into a new business line, and we decided to engage Abhishek Tula for training the sales team to take on this new business opportunity. Right from the time we gave the first brief and asked him to work on the content, till the time this program was delivered, it was immaculately done. And we found the level of engagement from Abhishek was extraordinary. What could have been a sales training program ended up being a business planning workshop, and each and every person participated and was able to deliver a plan which gives confidence to the senior management team that as a company we would deliver and come out successful.
I think actually the use of our own scenarios may have made the conceptual learning more relevant to us. I think that was a good takeaway from it. It was brought to life today, where we learned to use the tools.
Overall, after this first set of trainings, at least my team, they are positive. They have started taking things in a positive manner. That is one part. Secondly, they have tried to implement in their day-to-day working, and I have seen them implementing. They have even a few of the things they have discussed with me with examples as far as the improvement in their working is concerned. This is the beginning, I think, and I am very hopeful and confident results will be there in the time to come.
Geeta Jetha from Simpex Pharma Private Limited. It was a very lively session with Mr. Abhishek. It is a session, I think, which will change my perspective to view life, and now I can see dreams and how to see dreams. It will change the scenario now.
I have attended various trainings earlier also, but today's training was more about sales, और उसमें ऐसी चीज़ें जानी जो पहले कभी सुनी ही नहीं थी, जैसे आप इंक्वायरी के साथ कनेक्ट कैसे करो, और various selling techniques, after sale services and other things. We played so many games. It was knowledgeable as well as interactive and enjoyable, interesting, everything. So I would want to attend many more sessions like this.
Hi, myself Vinay. Thanks to Abhishek sir, thanks Ali sir, everyone.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good evening. I'm Dr. Danish, responsible for pediatric care initiative, PHI Pediatric Hospital Initiative in Child and Adolescent Health Department of Ministry of Public Health. My view or comments as a whole regarding the KTS, Kaizen Training Solution. Generally, the training was well prepared, the design, the methodology, the content, context. We learned a lot. And also about the project management, we learned some new things, new tools, new approaches. We learned a lot, we had fun and enjoyed the training. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Abhishek, for your extraordinary work.